Tutorial. I'll show you guys how to set the background. I noticed some people in class weren't putting their background image in there, so I had created a background earlier using just some Photoshop AI stuff just to make something real quick. And I'm going to put I think I called it Spaceship Crash. I thought I did. Let me see, what did I have it as in my graphics? I put a new one in here, Spaceship Crash. I need to select it. Oh, and I need to set it up so that it can work for Asteroid3d UI. I think if I had imported like mobile phone settings or 2D settings, that would have already by default put that there. But that's how you manually do it. So let's go background. Did I spell that right? Yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag this spaceship into there, or you could have clicked this button and looked for it. Okay, now you'll notice that the spaceship is in front of you lose. I'll fix that in a sec. I'm going to hold Option and click that so it stretches across the whole scene, and then simply drag this above the text so the text is in front. Okay, great. Now we're going to add a button so we could play the game again. So we're going to go UI, and let's see. Let's go button. Where's the button? Button. Text Mesh Pro. Do we want that? Okay. Yep, we do. I only hesitated because I didn't remember if I had already imported Text Mesh Pro, and I guess I did, so that's good. Okay, and then let's make this button bigger, and I'm gonna move it down below the you lose thing. And if you open this up, this is where you could change the text in there. Play again, and if you had other fonts, you could pick other fonts. Okay, you could make the you can auto size it, or and then this is how you adjust the different sizes. You could make it so doesn't go to the edge and stuff like that. Okay, if you want it bold. Okay, and you can play with the colors, and you can play with the button. You could actually put an image in here if you wanted to, or change it to whatever shape you want. So you could play around. You could actually make a graphic and put anything that's like already been set up for 2D UI. You could do that. Okay, so now we need some code to get us back to the game, and so I think what I'll do is make another script. I don't want to put the Asteroid game script on there because we're in a different scene. So I'll say, do we have an Asteroid lose script? We do. Let me see. This system goes with frame. So we had already created this, I suppose. I did that last tutorial? I guess I did. No, that's Asteroid script. Why do we have Asteroid script in here? I don't need that. Huh. Did I? Okay, well anyway, let's remove that. Asteroid lose script. Okay, and then when I open this up, I'm gonna need this scene management, because we're gonna just basically go back to the other scene. Okay, and how did we load up scenes in our last one? When we lose life, we say scene manager load asteroid lose, right? So we are going to, first of all, let's remember what our asteroid game scene is actually called. It is called Asteroid. I've actually misspelled it, Asteroid3d. Okay, you have to put the correct name in there. You could also go File, Build Settings, and you could see what scenes are in there. And I don't even have this Asteroid 3D in there. Let's change the name of it real quick. So it actually says Asteroid 3D. I'm going to open this up, save my loose scene, and then in Build Settings, you're going to say Add Open Scenes. I know I'm probably losing some of you guys. Got to make sure all these are in here. Okay, and then you could see the name of it, Asteroid 3D. Okay, so when we go to the loose page, we're going to make this button be able to go back to that scene. So we simply say, we're going to make a public void play again, like this. And I'm going to paste the code that I copied from there, but we're going to say Asteroid 3D, and so it should go back. Now we just simply take this button and attach that script function to it. Where is the button? There's the button right there. Okay, so we do that by hitting the plus sign. We drag the scripts game object in there, and then we say Asteroid lose script, play again. Okay, so when I push play and I click this button, it now goes to this scene. And I'm going to lose again so we can go into a loop. Okay, play again. Okay, great. Okay, so go ahead and have fun dressing up your lose page and putting on a play button. Okay, have fun.